Wahala don burst between Two-Face and Annie again. It is well. My correct people them no be small thing Two-Face and Annie marriage don dey get kelek again something wey we think say they don settle. Now wow, wetin dey happen? Hey, October they warned you. Anyway after their gbege wey be say the thing even come enter family self, Two-Face family and brothers they come dey para small time, they come say they don't settle. Annie and Two-Face they say they don't settle according to how they show us for social media and all that. To come they say to thank God for them husband and wife matter say no even kuku good to shook mouth put. My people, I don't do all those videos where Annie call out Two-Face brother call out Annie brothers come they call out Two-Face brothers. They get tight like say tomorrow no day. Nice small time they can't settle according to wetin they make us believe say they can't settle. All those videos I don't do them, and no one begin they go back again go they talk about the things I don't already do. If you check out some of the videos, may you watch them, may you see how the mattress take shell reach. So my people, then before we go say more feast date, we go do Thanksgiving for church. Peru don't show. I mean na Peru, she don't show Nigeria. See this one I love. I go put this on sound. Wetin I dey hear now say it don't happen. I don't know whether na she cause am. I been at this Brimo matter. We can call out Two-Face, say Two-Face accusation. I'm saying sleep it in while book. Just as I've been talked before, say such things will cause heavy problem for family. Imagine me now. I just sit down. Okay, man, no say me, I no be celebrity. But imagine person will be celebrity, just sit down. You hear say, your husband go to accuse person for social media, another celebrity say he enter your quikus. When you know say your hand clean or whether you no clean but you feel somehow embarrassed, and if you cause gbege for marriage, that's why people been they blame the guy. Anyway, I don't do all those videos. I no go back to them again. But now Two-Face on sue the guy as he tell him to apologize. We refuse to apologize for bringing all this talkie outside. He don't tell him to apologize. He refuse, so he don't sue him now for 1 billion naira. Anytime we update come for that very mattress, I go still bring and come the armor but table may we shook my put inside. But for today, my correct people, them know be that one the shelle. Waiting the shelle be say Peru don't show Abuja. Yes, so he show Abuja. Even Two-Face man follow come Abuja. They run things. They run things. Well, I no want to chook my put because Peru been already advise us say before we shook my put, we will make sure say we don't brush our wig well. So make I go check mirror first as they come. Alright, I don't shake myself, I'm okay. So make I read how she been talking. She said before you come for me on my page, please do the bare minimum, brush your wig, and if you can't, then use a damn filter. You can't be trolling me when your pictures ain't right. Accepting only beautiful truths. Thank you. She gonna say hashtag million naira baby, hashtag spoiled baby, and I mean spoiled to the F. Alright, so my correct people, them Two-Face can't give us serious warning. No, I say now wow. Waiting the waiting the shell. Why would they suffer like this for una hand? I bet me una know they shout for us, Jare. Alright, so that's so Two-Face Macari own come say, I know I am not without mistakes. Neither am I perfect, but we keep learning and working and striving to become the best version of ourselves. It is well. Happy New Year to me. May the Almighty guide all of us and protect our homes. Alright, so as you can't talk this one, he say no they perfect, bobo in wife ma can follow do her own lovey blah blah blah. We brimo wahala can see can shelle. So I don't know whether I resurrect the matter. I've been at Peru and I resurrect the matter. But as it be so, I don't hear talk. Say yes, so say Annie don't scatter everywhere. Say no be small via 9 day on the mountain between Annie and Two-Face. Alright, so people say Annie, I thought you posted that everything is okay with you and Two-Face. Why were you raving mad yesterday in the house? To the extent that soldiers came to separate fight. If you people are tired of the marriage, just go your separate ways. That's how you spoiled his head with a fire extinguisher at Uncle Nonsa's hotel in Asokoro. How you trash a room in walls, curtain breaking TV and mirror because you are fighting him for paying too much attention to Peru. Everything with you is howless. Alright, so this one on a blog already they call and say Trap Selena. Now in they reveal all this one, whether not true, whether not lie, you I don't know. But I know say na insider from Two-Face family. Now in go don't send all this information, you know, to this blogger to carry bring out Annie and Two-Face matter again. Well, whether not true, whether not lie, now that one I don't know. Alright, they continue. Say Annie Zwanike, Igbo people say this Ugu Mena I bet una two language. He who lives by the sword doesn't allow anybody with even a ordinary knife to pass behind him. When you were sleeping with Sylvia Adam's husband, you didn't know they would sleep with your own too. Ha! Wahala deo! Wahala deo! Una want to go scatter this table with the manage, abi? Chebina this table with the manage, now una want to go scatter am. It is a well, yo. It is a well, yo. Ah, but this Two-Face myself, now fine man, no. This one where everybody just buy for you like this. Are we safe? Ah, yeah. So, which kind wahala can be this one now? I don't even know anything to talk again. Peruma, come on hand now for where? If woman no love man, she go come dey born 1 to 3 children. So since Two-Face here for Abuja, says still on the matter House of Senate Abuja. This one you know they do so that the wife will say, he dey House of Senate Abuja now. Business you go to do and all that. Alright, so now Peru can write say, my dark chocolate baby in Abuja, tonight we are lit. No be small thing, no hotel bed go hear am. Cause I love Abuja. How you don't go love Abuja? Then she consider say Nigeria far I been America far ni bless she don't finish the chop John Thomas she don't go back. Alright, my correct people, so see waiting our country people they talk for the materials. The first person here say Two-Face allow Fresh, Tonto Dike and Jane Mena matter first. Then another person say, dear women, please give yourself peace and give yourself rest. Now what? So the third person say, for Two-Face to do opening, I think he's passing a message indirectly. Take it or leave it. For Two-Face to do this opening. You think that want me? Alright, the last person say, everyone deserves peace of mind. Congratulations to Two-Face and Peru. Wahala. Shippers too don't join now. Shippers now don't they ship Two-Face and Peru. Nigeria country people. Now wow. The first person here say, we all know Peru is a wife, not baby mama. So now we see Peru father ma talk now. Then the second person say, I say September they learn work where October day with violence. Try get that out. So the third person say, shebi them say make we respect their privacy. Why them they show us now? So the last person here said, not easy for a woman to deal with this. You know, easy at all. My sister, you know the cocoa. Alright, so Annie can say, feel the fear, but don't let it stop you. Yeah, fear don't even enter her. So they won't collect her man, yo. Baba God there. Now wow, you know is you you know it's at all today for this kind marriage we go be say e be like say the man self he is in love with 2 women and he's neither here nor there. If you go say one command, you go bring sweet words, you go talk this one, you go talk that one, say may you stay, may you no go. If you kuku stay today with only you man a problem, it's neither here nor there. I feel so bad for her, and it's not easy even common to live the relationship self where you never even get children self. They had talk more of person where you don't get 2 children with. And also Peru here, she don't go more where she pitch her tent. Now there she pitch her more, no going anywhere. Now she just use her need a cash cruise. Now wow, it is a well so they fly all the way from America to come hammer Two-Face John Thomas. Now no be Two-Face fly go, this time na she fly come. Now wow, Annie, if to say you no fear, na there for worry, but you say fear enter you. I know why. It's not easy, my darling. All right, so my correct people, thank you for watching. Una stay beautiful. Una bye.